Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about what is Tesla's mission statement. Tesla's mission statement is to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy. This statement is more than just a catchy phrase, it's the core principle that guides the entire company. It means that everything Tesla does is aimed at speeding up the global shift away from fossil fuels and towards clean, renewable energy sources. This mission isn't limited to just cars. While Tesla is famous for its electric vehicles, its work also includes a full ecosystem of sustainable energy products. This includes solar panels for homes and businesses, as well as large-scale battery storage solutions like the Powerwall and Megapack. All of these products are designed to work together to create a more sustainable future. The mission statement has three key components: accelerate, the world's transition, and sustainable energy. Accelerate shows Tesla's urgency in bringing these solutions to market as quickly as possible. The world's transition highlights the company's global focus, aiming to make a widespread impact. And sustainable energy defines the core business, encompassing not just transportation but also energy generation and storage. In essence, Tesla's mission is to make sustainable energy solutions so compelling and accessible that they become the norm, not the exception. They are working to build a world powered by solar, enabled by battery storage, and transported by electric vehicles. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.